My name is LaToya Ferguson, and I just want to share my experience that I had with Roquita Johnson and during my power hour. My experience with her was one that really changed my perspective on how I look at my public speaking, how I look at my business, and what I can do to become or allow people to become more aware of what I am doing. And so my power hour with her was more than a power hour because the information that I took from that session, I am applying it right now. I can use it, it's relevant, and it is, I would use a word and I'm going to use it, it's critical to moving forward. So if you have not had a chance to meet and sit and talk with her or go to any of her meetings, I would encourage you to take the time out and meet with her and hear from her experience and how her experience helps me as an individual to move forward. So I really thank her for taking the time out to sit and talk with me and really explain in details and ask me questions that yes I know the answer to, but if I thought about it myself, I thought about it, but I never really verbalized it or have written it down. So I want to encourage you, if you haven't had the opportunity, to please follow her, and also to schedule some time to meet with her. You won't regret it. You will be able to take what you have learned from your session and really apply it and make it useful in whatever area of speaking or promoting or different things that you can do to really move yourself forward. For me, it was move myself forward and just getting myself out there. So I want to thank her personally for spending the time with me to ask me those hard questions, to talk to me and encourage me to go ahead, put that message out there, let people know who I am, what I do, because if I'm not doing it, nobody else is going to do it. So check her out, Roquita Johnson. That's her name. That's who you need to talk to.